This is the ICT Games help video for the short division game or demonstration tool. We're doing 752 divided by 2. Actually, let me just quickly click. If you just keep clicking, you can see you've got different numbers arising here. And basically what happens is you see if you can stack first. If you can't stack, then you unpack them to the next column. And then when you click, they can 49 stack in 5s. So there's 9 stacks of 5, so that goes up there. And we've got these remainder left over, so they move over to the units column. So they unpack. And then we can stack them. So the answer to 490 divided by 5 is 98. Now, what if you want some remainders? If you switch on the remainders, you can either have the remainders or the decimals. So here we go. 500. Can I stack that in piles of 6? No, I can't. So I'm going to unpack that. That comes over here. So now we've got 51. Can we make piles of 6 there? Yes, we can. So, but there's some remainders, so let's move those across and stack those. And so 33 divided by 6. You've got 5, but there's a remainder of 3, and you don't need to drag them all across to see the remainder. It just tells you you've got a remainder of 3. But if I wanted to do a decimal version of the same sort of thing, because I haven't got enough room on screen, there's only a single digit, a single decimal place, and numbers up to 99. If I just keep pressing next, you'll see that it's 2, 4, 5, and 6 that you're dividing by. That's because I have to have a single decimal place to have enough room on screen. So 60, can we make that into piles of 5? There we go. Yeah, 1, but that leaves 10, so I'll unpack that. Then we'll stack 14 divided by 5. There's 2 piles. Now we'll take that past the decimal point and unpack the whole one into fractions of a whole. Now we've got 40. There we go. 40 divided by 5 is 8. So the answer is 12.8. So obviously there aren't any situations where you get another decimal place in this particular tool. The other thing is you can do 2 numbers less than 99 as well. And that's about it. But it gives you a nice tool for modelling what's actually happening when you're carrying out the formal written method. Hope it helps. Have fun.